morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Koluche, welcome you all for today's lecture of Company Law and Secretarial Practice. In previous class, we have discussed the meaning of doctrine of ultrawires. Today, we shall discuss the another concept from company law, that is the constructive notice. This concept is also very much important because it is directly associated with the functioning of the company. So, with this intention, or the main intention behind putting this concept is, tomorrow when we are working in any company, we cannot neglect our responsibilities, or we cannot tell that I didn't knew and all. So this concept is very important for functioning in the company. So let us see what does this concept tells us about. That is about the constructive notice. The constructive notice is a legal entity shall have the knowledge or should be known as a reasonable person would have known as a legal action taken or going to be taken, don't have any real or actual knowledge of it. When we are functioning on behalf of the company, or we are the directors or office bearers in the company, at that point of time, we cannot say that I didn't knew this, I didn't knew that and all. Suppose an assignment is given to you all, and if you all have not submitted on time, you all will give excuses like I didn't knew these and that. But here, when you are functioning in a company and you are office bearer, or say you have the authority for functioning, at that point of time or after happening of that event, if it is against the memorandum of association and article of association of the company, at that point of time the person cannot say that I didn't knew and all. So this law tells that the person should know all the rules and regulations framed by the company in its memorandum of association and article of association. If that person comes up with a reason saying that I didn't knew and all, and legal action can be taken, because here a company is a legal entity and a constructive notice is a legal entity shall have the knowledge or should be known or should have the knowledge as a responsible person would have known as a legal action going to be taken or will be taken, even if they don't have any real or actual knowledge about it. You cannot say I didn't knew and all at that point of time. Action would be taken if you are functioning against the memorandum of association and article of association of the company. In company's law, the doctrine of constructive notice is a doctrine where all persons dealing with a company are deemed to have knowledge of the company, article of association and memorandum of association. Any person who is dealing with the company, it is assumed that the person is having a complete knowledge about the company's memorandum of association and article of association, and it will be assumed that you are working on those lines. But in case if you are not working according to the memorandum of association and article of association, and it has been come to the notice, and if a legal action is being planned, at that point of time you cannot take excuses by saying I didn't knew and all. So this is known as constructive notice. So this concept comes for 2 marks in your examination, saying what do you mean by constructive notice. So with this, we shall stop here. If you have any doubts, questions, queries, you all can feel free to contact me at any point of time. Thank you. Good day.